welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the headlines. Congress holds its legislature party meeting after 1.5 months of election, claims that the opposition is not weak, criticizes government on delimitation of panchayat wards. Opposition to panchayat ward reservation increases. People from Ponda and Tiswadi Taluka claim that reservation in wards with less than 20% OBC population. Alemaus take on Banauli MLA, file petition in the High Court that Kaitu is a Portuguese national. Kaitu denied charges, says I am an Indian. It's hard to believe, but they say so. Candidates who contested assembly elections state that only one of them crossed 6 lakh rupees figure while spending on campaigning. Sarvodaya Royals back crucial 14-run lead against GCA start. GCA make a strong second innings reply. Finish day 196 runs ahead. And Nikunj Shivas takes his tennis forward after leaving Indian scene. Issues with tennis authorities led to Nikunj's move to foreign shows. And now the news in detail. Opposition leader Pratap Singh Ranaya has claimed that the opposition party is not weak. Congress legislature party meeting was held on Wednesday. However, Babush Montserrat and Pandurang Madkekar did not attend the meet. Rani also clarified that defeat of the Congress party in Goa is not his concern. He said that he is the leader of victorious. Rani also clarified that he is not a part of the election Panchanama.
Opposition ना अशा तऱ्हेचे चर्चा जावं
खंयचे ऑपोजिशन
opposition सध्या खंयच्या इश्यूचेर काय करता 100 मिळले
खंयच्या इश्यूचेर सांग
बजेटाचेर सुद्धा तुमचे रिएक्शन्स ना
बजेटाचेर रिएक्शन हांवें सांगला टू मेनी फ्रीबीज वर गिवन I have given now it's too late. The budget is already present. We will take it up in the assembly. We will take it up in the assembly when discussion comes.
Opposition is not a weak.
Huh?
लोक उलयता opposition ना म्हणटा weak अशें कांय ना.
लोक उलयता का पेपर वाले छापता तेचेर अवलंबून
लोक उलयता ते आमी छापता
ना दिली होता आमकां कोणा आपूण
इलेक्शन असेंब्ली इलेक्शनाचो इश्यू डिस्कस
डिफिटाच्या बाबतीत बी कितें
No, that is not my job. My job is those who have won.
एवरी
Rani further said that panchayat elections are not at party level and Congress will not canvass for any individual.
We are not fighting at panchayat, government, state level or party level. We are not fighting at party level. So we are not going to canvass for anybody or anything. So usually 100 days are given to the government to settle the issue. We do not want to. We want them to do some work for the people, no? After all, it is a democracy.
A reporter in Panjim, Laukik Shilkar and Tulsidas Chari.
Objections and opposition to Panchayat ward reservation has begun in the state. Residents of ward number 4 from Ponda and Tiswadi talukas are unhappy with the reservation. They have demanded that reservation should be reverted as the percentage of people from OBC category is less than 20%. Director of Panchayat has assured to look into the matter. Meanwhile, CLP has also criticized the delimitation process of Panchayat wards.
In Ponda Taluka, total 33 wards have been reserved for OBC. People from ward number 4 are not happy with the reservation. They have demanded that the reservation should be dropped.
Population जे आसा पळय आसपाक जाय ते बिलो 20% आसा आनी हे आमकां एप्लिकेबल ना पूण कितें आसतना डायरेक्टरान हो रॉंगली कित्याक लागून केला तो आमकां खबर ना.
Meanwhile, residents of ward number 4 from Tiswadi Taluka met the director of Panchayat. Total 25 wards are reserved for OBC. They claim that reserving this ward for OBC is injustice to the people of Sodan.
पंचायतीन असल्यार म्हाका 45 इयर्स जाता आतां आनी 9 पाट इलेक्ट जावन आयिल्ली आनी आतां तेरेपेंत यो आतां रोल भोव मुदार हें केला OBC म्हणून घाला म्हज्या वाड्याक म्हणजे OBC आमी सर्व आमच्या क्रिस्टियन आमचें वोटींग एकदम चड आहा OBC आमकां हें करूंक वोटींग करूंक मेळना
So we want that reservation been boycotted, and the Catholics given their rights, so the Catholics can also contest.
Director of Panchayat Menino D'Souza has assured to rectify mistakes if any.
That election also is a time-bound process, and you cannot keep that hearing objections or with eternity. So what we have to do is see if there is sufficient time, and if the grievances raised by them are genuine, we are sending them to the videos, investigating them, and if it is correct, we have taken a decision to correct them.
Villagers from different parts of Goa are also crying foul over the way wards were notified without public scrutiny. Many have condemned the haphazard and non-transparent process of delimitation. Congress Legislature Party and opposition leader Pratap Singh Rane has also criticized the delimitation of Panchayat wards.
Making the Panchayat constituencies as per the liking of some people. I don't know, but it may have been done in a hurry also. So many people are not happy. We would like the election commission, state election commission, should have looked into it. We are not fighting at Panchayat, government, state level or party level. We are not fighting at party level. See, whoever is there, liked by the local people, should get elected. So we are not going to canvass for anybody or anything.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Banauli MLA Kaitan Silva is facing a disqualification petition for alleged dual citizenship. Walanka Alema, a defeated Congress candidate from Banauli, has filed a disqualification petition against Kaitu before Goa bench of Bombay High Court. Petition has been filed with a charge that MLA Kaitan is holding Portuguese citizenship. However, Banauli MLA Kaitan Silva has refuted the claim.
I think you all know. It is a disqualification petition on a foreign citizen who's an MLA, sitting MLA right now. Caetano Rosario Silva. So a foreign citizen cannot contest an election. Portuguese citizenship.
What are the other players?
See, I have put the matter before the court, so it's for the court to decide. So when the matter is sub judice, I cannot comment. So it's a disqualification petition on the grounds of foreign citizenship. You can't have dual citizenship in our country.
Birth is registered in Portugal, and because of that, it disqualifies under the Constitution of India. The process will follow now. No? They have to scrutinize.
Procedure, no? The court procedure.
However, Banauli MLA Caetano Silva has refuted the claims. He says he has only Indian passport.
Starting लागले हांव elect जाला तेन्ना सांगताले लोकांक मुगडे पासपोर्ट आसा आनी कितें आसा म्हणून पासपोर्ट आसा ताका सर्च करून दी आनी पार्टिशन घालून दी कितें हांव नको मुगडे इंडियन पासपोर्ट आसा म्हणून जाणा आय एम इंडियन सिटीजन आय गॉट अ इंडियन पासपोर्ट दॅट वॉच आय नो सो एंड सून I will be travelling out of Goa, out of India with an Indian passport.
Our reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agiyar, and from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.